Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I am going to be using today the Hiiii Revolution Rainbow Paste. I got the green one because when I went to the Revolution Halloween party, we had gift bags and they added one of these in there. And of course I work in Superdrug, so I'm seeing the different colours. You got blue, I believe, don't hold me to that, but there's definitely a red and a purple because that's all I have in stock at the store at the moment. They also have silver, pink. So they do have different kind of colours. Now this is a rainbow paste, colour and styling in one. This is in deep sea green. It's vegan and cruelty free. This also washes out. Now obviously I have super black hair, even though I actually dyed it a while ago. God, well, 5 months ago or something. I actually dyed it a purple, but as you can see it just doesn't dye on my hair. So as you probably would think, some colours wouldn't show up on my hair because my hair's like hecka dark. But funny enough, I use the L'Oreal hair makeup squeezy paste that you just put in the colour, and the ones for brunettes actually work. The blue, pink, the pink especially works amazingly because it's just such a vivid colour. So I just want to see how this works on my hair. Now I'm going to work, so I don't want to look too cray-cray today. I've even added this dark lip. I'm not really feeling it. I'll see how my hair looks. If it goes with my hairstyle, then I'll keep the lip. But if not, I'm going to have to change it because it just looks too dark. But though on camera it looks different, but in person it looks nice. So I don't know. But I'm going to braid my hair like I usually do. I've even had requests for a tutorial on the hair braiding situation, and I always forget, and I don't know why I keep forgetting. It's the easiest video to do ever because I braid my hair almost every single day for work. So what I'm going to do first quickly, I've got a pack of wipes near me just to, to wipe my hands with. I'm going to take a hair strand from my hairbrush, which is kind of gross, but I've got a strand of hair. Obviously you won't be able to see it because it's very thin here in front of my forehead. There you go. I've got a strand of hair. I'm going to see what it looks like, the paste, real quick, just to see if it actually colours the hair, because this is what it looks on the inside. It's like a metallic green, and obviously if it's a metallic green it stands out so well on dark hair because it reflects the light. So I'm going to take some of this green paste. Now I'm going to do is just wipe it down the strand just to see if it colours. Oh my god, it colours. It really colours. If you put too much in it, then yeah. But as you can see, I'm holding a green strand. I'm wearing black right now, so you can actually see it in front of my black jumper. It's actually green, and it smells so bloody good. Oh, it smells good. If they just make normal hair products like hair fragrances or like hair heat damage stuff, I would rock this stuff. It smells good. Okay, alright, so my initial idea was to do my normal braids, but not like my braids that go all the way down. So just like diagonal braids here and then ponytail it. So like ponytail all my hair together to create like these two nice braids with ponytails. Now my idea was possibly just to gently colour in the braids so that you'd have these green braids and maybe a couple strands of green hair hanging down. Because again, the way it looks right now, it looks like it's going to become hella green. So I don't want to look like Green Goblin out here, the Hulk, I don't want to be sporting that look just yet. I mean, I would on a regular daily basis, but I feel like my parents would slate me. Like, what the hell are you doing going to work looking like that? So I'd rather not have a lecture today. So what I'm going to do first, let me just prepare my station. Okay, so I've got this brush right here. I've been using this for God knows how long, a very long time. I'm going to split my hair down the middle. You should be able to get like an accurate-ish feel of how you're going down your head. It might not be perfect, and mine are never perfect, so, but I try to make sure this part here is always perfect, at least. Alright, so I don't usually put my lip product on before I do my hair. I'm going to tie this away. I don't know, is this kind of like a hair tutorial as well? I just wanted to see how these work because honestly I want to get some more, and plus because they only sell it in Superdrug, I'll get a good discount. So I just wanted to see how it works so I can buy some more, and I might as well do it today. So what I'm going to do, As you can see, I've separated the hair right down the middle. And because the way I want my hair to go, I want it to go in a diagonal corner here so that I can ponytail it right at the back. So that means I've really got to move my hands. I don't braid like this, I braid like this. So, you know, strenuous arm works around here. So usually my braids just go down naturally because that's how my hands work, and they just go down like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a small section because I like my braids to start off small and then like gradually get bigger and gain shape. So there we go, I'm gonna separate it into 3 sections. Now this one I'm putting over and I'm grabbing the one under. I'm not very good with hair tutorials because I don't do my hair that often, but as I move along and I actually braid, I'm just picking up hair. So as you can see, this hand here, I'm going to pick some hair up back here. I'm going to move my hand and I'm going to pick some hair down here, and as I pick hair down there, I'm going to pick hair up here, and again pick hair down here, pull that under, going to pick some hair up here, boom, hair down here, flip this under, we're going to pick some hair up here. If I do make some boo-boos, I tend to tuck them in sometimes. Alright, so I think that's far enough out, but what I'm going to... I think that's far enough out. Let me do one more. Let me grab down here. I'm going to grab at the back here. Now I'm not going to be collecting any more hair, I'm just going to braid outwards. So this is all loose hair that I'm not going to be picking up, and I'm just going to braid outwards without picking up hair. So you know, this one here goes under, this one goes under, so it's like under, middle, under, middle. That's if you don't know how to braid, but you know. I'm just going to braid this out. I don't actually have to go to the end, but that's just so it goes into a ponytail easier. So it's not dragging around the hair down here. So I'm going to take my hair, my little plastic elastic hairband. I'm left-handed, so I have to do everything with my left hand, excuse me. So I double that up, braid it, and done. Cool. So now we're going to undo this side and we're going to section this side off, because now this is done, we don't want to get that in the way. Boom. And then I'm just going to do the same what I did here, I'm going to do it over her. So now we've got both sides pretty much done. One might be a little bit higher than the other, but you know, again, just like eyebrows, they're sisters, not twins, okay? Even though you can get them to twins, I don't have that kind of skill to do that. But what I'm going to do right now, I feel like laying my hairs down a little bit because I'm going to wash my hair today. I can put as much stuff in my hair as I want to. So what I'm going to do quick, I'm going to try, let me get another hairband. So just how you would create a normal ponytail, because now I've got to get both of the sides equal, so I'm going to do it the best that I can. Because I want it to be high as well. I feel like I want to make this side higher. Yeah, I prefer a lot more higher. So let me undo this one first. There we go, and you just tighten it a little So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this green paste by Makeup Revolution. Since there's some on the lid, well, might as well just use it. I'm gonna take some on my finger. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a sticky gooey texture. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and I'm just going to wipe it on my braids and blend it with my ring finger because I don't want too much product on one part. That looks pretty cool. I mean, I'll have to do that for you to see it, but still, it's pretty darn cool. I like it. And on black hair you can actually see. So you see when the light hits it, it looks really good, but that's why it's meant to be metallic. So you're able to kind of see it on darker hair. Now, let's do a couple streaks in the hair. I'm guessing it's sticky, so you have to kind of like brush it out as it dries. I feel like you get a lot of product in this as well. What's this? 75 mil. You could basically use this as like hair makeup, which is what I'm doing, so. I've got some in the ends, but it don't matter. I might as well just pimp out the ends anyway. And now I'm just gonna grab my entire hair, take a bit of some and just pimp out my ends. My entire hand's gonna be green, but you know, who cares? Okay, we're gonna let this side dry a little before I brush it out, even though there's some, you know, green here and there. I might have to, I'm just using hand wipes right now, but I think I might have to fully wash my hands, soap twice, 3 times maybe, because that's what they're looking like, kind of stained. But anyways, that's alright for now. Let me get my hairbrush, and then I'm gonna brush this out. My hair's frizzy anyway, so if it looks extra frizzy, don't make a difference to me. I'm sure it will fully dry, it will go a little bit more stiffer throughout the day, but for now, it's kind of visible. I mean, you can see it in the light, that's alright. Okay, well that's how my hair's looking. I think it's kind of transferring, so what I'm gonna do is kind of transferring, so I'm gonna spray some hairspray in it, brush that through. Hairspray kind of seals it in. Again, it is a paste, so I'm not particularly sure if it dries, but for now I'm just gonna go with it, see if anyone notices. In the hair, it's not that obvious anymore at all, really. Maybe I brushed it through too much. It's not really that noticeable, but I can still see it. But I can see it more up here than anything else. So I'm just going to leave it at that. I think that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll try some other colours and see how it turns out. But to be honest, it's decent. But if you have maybe lighter hair, it might show up a little bit better than it does on my Hecka black hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm also going to run some oil through this, but that's before I go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know, hair tutorial, hair look, product review tutorial, something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching.